Hey guys, today, let's learn how to enable Nightstand Mode on iPhone on your iOS 17. So if you guys want to go ahead and enable this new Nightstand Mode on your devices, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. This is gonna be pretty easy, guys. What we need to do this is the same as you would do to enable standby mode. So all we need to do is launch these settings application, and then I want you to go ahead and scroll down until you see the standby. So tab on standby, and what I want you to do is to go ahead and go on over onto your night mode and basically have this enabled. So what this is gonna do is gonna present a red tint with a low ambient lighting over on your screens as you go ahead and, well, place your phone on its side while charging. So this will be enabled only when you place your phone on its side while it is charging. So that is gonna show information like widgets, photo in frame, or clocks. So go ahead and try this out yourselves, guys. Basically, what this is called is night mode, and this is what it's gonna do. Basically, it's gonna show an ambient red tint with a low ambient lighting as you charge your device on its side. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as all of you guys learn something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.